Hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today we'll be learning three functions which are new in 365 Microsoft Excel. First is text split, text before, and text after. These are the few new functions which are added in Microsoft Excel. We'll start with the text split. As the name says, splitting a word using this text split. So we can have a small text here. It says each fruit name is differentiated by having a small comma. You can see apple comma, mango comma, and so on. So to split, we were using the text to column earlier. You can use text split. Say, let I have the data here, but I need it on a column wise. So I want this to be splitted in the column wise. So for that, what you can do, use a text split. Text split, open bracket. Once you open it, say ask you the text part. This is the text we are trying um, to split. So once it says column the delimiter. So if you want in this in all the columns, you can give the what is the differentiating between the each two fruit is the comma. We can to add a comma. What you can do? We start with the double quote comma, again double quote, close the bracket. So if you close the bracket, hit enter. Now you can see it has splitted in the uh, column wise. Say I don't want in the column, but I want in the row wise. So for that, what you can do here again, I'll try to put the column here. Formula text split, open bracket, text. This is the text comma. So we don't want in the column wise here. So leave it give a comma. So we are ignoring it. So we are not using this. Now this row delimiter is highlighted. See, use the double quote comma and close the double quote and the bracket. So now you can see it has split based on the row. So either you want in column wise can do, or column wise can add directly here. If you want row wise, give one comma for the column to skip, so it will skip, it will go by the row wise. So this is for the text split. Let's do the next part. Next function is the text before. Text before is, as the name says, any text we need to get it before something. You need to mention that. Say example, I need the apple here. So apple is next to the apple, it is comma. So anything after comma, I need to get the apple. Let's say text before. So this is the one comma. So it says delimit. So what was the delimit was the comma. So double quote comma double quote, close the bracket. So now you can see it has picked the apple, the first part of it. So the next one is the after. Next after, say example, I don't want apple. After that, I need the rest. You can use it. Text after, open bracket, select the text comma. Here, say what is the after what we need to get the comma. We need to skip the comma. Rest we need to get. So apple I need to skip. So double quote comma, double quote, open bracket. So now you can see the mango, orange, watermelon, skipping the apple. There are few more functions. I'll be sharing those in the next session.